And your bio mentions that you became an attorney specifically to work with small businesses and startups.
Yeah.
And how did you wind up in the pet industry or focusing on the pet niche?
So I was working, when I started my practice, I didn't go right into the pet industry. I didn't even realize that's something you can do, honestly. So I was working with a whole, array of industries when I started. And then I started thinking about the long-term effects of a legal profession. It's not always fun.
Yeah.
Sorry to burst that bubble, but yeah, it's not always fun. So I needed to, find something that would still allow me to have some fun and something that I am passionate about. And, I thought hard and I realized, I really love spending time with my dog. And okay, so what does that mean? What does that mean? So I started just figuring out where people in the pet industry would gather, and I started talking to them and just seeing if that's something that I can go into, because a lot of small pet businesses exist in New York City where my office is, right? So people are, even if they don't have a LLC or anything in place, they still like to make treats and give them out as gifts even before they even start their own business. So I thought, hey, there's a great spot here. Even if they don't hire me as their attorney, they can at least get some good information before they start feeding things to dogs, which may or may not be harmful. And what they're really on the hook for here, because if you injure someone's pet by giving them a treat that you thought was a nice gesture, you're still on the hook for something here. So these are the types of things I was thinking of way in the beginning of my practice, and then I just started, speaking to more people who are in the industry. I started giving talks all over the country, and eventually it just led me here.